Now we have created an additional virtual hard disk. Let's get your CentOS machine running. Mine is already running and I have also logged in. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use the ls block command to list all the block devices. And as you can see, there's SDB with 8 GB free. Disk is what we just created in the previous video. And it is totally empty, so we can start to partition it right away. And what I'm going to use is I'm going to use the fdisk utility to work with disk and partitioning it. So I'm going to do sudo fdisk and dev and then the name of that disk, which is SDB, and I'm going to hit enter SDB. Okay, and now this is the fdisk menus open up for us, and I'm going to hit M for more menu. So first thing we can do is we can do P to print out the partition table. So I'm going to do that, and there's nothing is going to be listed, of course, because there's no partition yet. So let's create a new one. So I'm going to do N to create a new partition, and I want this to be our primary partition. So I'm going to do P, and there are maximum 4 partitions, and I'm going to go with the first one. Okay, just first one, enter, and then I'm going to keep this default, and now they're asking for the size of the partition that I'm creating. So we know we have 8 GB, and I want to create one with 4 GB. So I'm going to do plus 4G, and I'm going to hit enter. And now let's print out the partition table again to see what we've done. So I'm going to hit P, then there it is. And as you can see, the ID is 83, which means that the partitions that we just created is used for Linux system. So okay, I'm ready to save all my changes, and to do so I'm gonna hit W to write and exit. So enter. Alright, now let's do the list block command again to see what have changed. So now as you can see, under the SDB there's one partition that is called SDB1 that we just created with 4 GB. And a challenge for you is to create another partition under SDB with also 4 GB.